Hello mathematicians, this video is going to cover some fraction basics. So what a fraction is, it is a part over a whole. And the part has this part and whole, they have two fancy names, which are called the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is the part and the denominator is the whole. And there's this fancy little line between them, which is the fraction bar. The fraction bar just means division. So really what this means is numerator divided by denominator. And all fractions can be represented by a decimal as well. Most mathematicians prefer to leave things in fractions, but there's a time and place to use a decimal as well. So to get into this further, let's talk about pizza for a second here. So we've got this pizza, which as most pizzas, it is cut into 8 different slices. So let's say you and a few friends, you go out and you eat 6 slices of pizza. So the part that you ate is 6. You ate 6 slices, but the whole pizza was 8 slices. So you ate 6/8 of one pizza. And this is called a proper fraction. And what makes this a proper fraction is that the numerator is less than the denominator. Whenever the numerator is less than the denominator, it is known as a proper fraction. And with this particular proper fraction, both the numerator and the denominator have common factors. So we can simplify this fraction. They are both even numbers, so they can be divided by 2. So if we divide both of these by 2 here, we will get a simplified fraction. We can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2 to get our simplified fraction here. So if we take 6 and divide it by 2, we get 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 6/8 is equal to 3/4. Now this does not, 3 and 4 do not share any common factors, so this is simplified. Now let's say you and a group of friends, that same group of friends, go out and eat 11 slices of pizza. So you would eat 11/8 of one slice of pizza. Now this is an example of an improper fraction. And what makes it an improper fraction is that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, so there is a time and place to have an improper fraction, and actually later on in your math careers, it's kind of the preferred method, but we can convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. So what this really means is this improper fraction of 11/8 is equal to just 11 divided by 8. And if we were to take 11 divided by 8, we would get 1 with a remainder of 3. And this 1 right here, this is our whole number. The 3 is our numerator. And the denominator doesn't change. So how we could write this as a mixed number is we could write this as 1 and 3/8. So 1 and 3/8 is equal to 11/8. Now let's say you and that group of friends were to go out and eat one whole pizza. So you're to eat one pizza, and you were to eat 5/8 of another pizza. So you ate 5, the part of the whole 8 slices. So now this is a mixed number. So with this mixed number, we can convert it into an improper fraction if we were to want to. And we would do that by multiplying this whole number and the denominator, and then adding the result of that to the numerator. So this would be equal to 1 times 8, the whole number plus the denominator, plus the numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So 1 times 8 is 8 plus 5, and again the denominator stays the same. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13/8. So we can see 13/8 is equal to 1 and 5/8. That was just some fraction basics. I hope it helps you out as you start to do more operations with fractions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something.